So, what is the longest project in years that you have taken to complete? Yeah, I have a lot of projects around my house, around my shop. In fact, if you look at a lot of the cabinets on the walls of my shop, I still have blue tape instead of door handles. There are little things like that. But, those take years to finish. So what is the longest project you've ever done? I'm going to show you mine because I'm moving now and I have to move it again. 30 years ago, I had a beloved little pit bike when I was working at motorcycle dealerships and going to races and stuff like that. A unique one. It was built the month I was born, and it's kind of a rare machine. The common model, a Trail 70, but rare in that it's a manual clutch. Well, guess what? That beloved motorcycle, I tore apart. I had the frame powder coated. And it is still sitting in these two large tubs 30 years later. I think sometime I'm moving to a college town. That might be something good to put together so I can romp around town on. So, what's the longest you've ever taken to finish a project?